At HC Auto, we strive to ensure that whether you're a car enthusiast or a buyer, you're always best informed. So today we are going to share with you the 10 small cars with the worst safety ratings as per the Global NCAP standards. Spoiler alert, the largest car makers Maruti Suzuki and Hyundai have fared the worst in this area, while Tata Motors has done well. If safety is a priority, please go through this entire video. First is the Maruti Suzuki Espresso. The small hatchback scored 1 star for adult and 0 for child protection in the Global NCAP crash test. Originally available with 1 airbag, it has now been upgraded to 2. Second, the Maruti Suzuki Alto K10. The small hatchback scored 2 stars for adult protection and 0 for child protection in the Global NCAP crash test. The car's body shell was rated as stable. Third, the Maruti Suzuki Swift. The small hatchback scored 1 star for both adult and child protection in the Global NCAP crash test. The car's body shell was also rated as unstable. Fourth up is the Tata Tiago. The small hatchback scored much better with 4 stars for adult and 3 stars for child protection in the Global NCAP crash test. However, the car's body shell was rated unstable. Fifth is the Hyundai i20. The small hatchback scored a decent 3 stars in the Global NCAP crash test for both child and adult protection. The car's body shell was though rated as unstable. Sixth, the Maruti Suzuki Wagon-R. This small hatchback scored 1 star for adult protection and 0 for child protection in the Global NCAP crash test. The car's body shell was rated as unstable. Seventh up is the Hyundai Grand i10. The small hatchback scored 2 stars in the Global NCAP crash test for both adult and child protection. The car's body shell was understandably rated as unstable. Eighth is the Maruti Suzuki Celerio. The small hatchback scored 0 for adult protection and 1 star for child protection in the Global NCAP crash test. The car's body shell was of course unstable. Ninth is the Maruti Suzuki Ignis. Sold through the Nexa channel, the small hatchback scored 1 star for adult and 0 for child protection in the Global NCAP crash test. The car's body shell was of course rated as unstable. And 10th and the last is the Tata Altroz. The premium hatchback scored a superb 5-star rating in safety for adults and 3 stars for child protection in the Global NCAP crash test. This car offers great protection for the driver and passengers in the event of a crash. The car's body shell was rated as unstable. So there you have it. We hope this list was helpful and will help you make a more informed decision if you decide to buy a small car. Stay tuned for more exciting auto content. Until next time, safe driving.